You and I, together we can. Let's study together. It's English time with Teacher Alma. Today's word is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. What's this colorful bird? It's an orange and green parrot. Beak. Beak. A green parrot. Beak. Wings. Wings. There are two parrots. 1, 2. Berkey. Pink Berkeys.
Aw, so cute.
How many parrots can you see? 1, 2, 3. Crocodiles. Peekaboo. It's a toucan. That's the beak. Orange beak. Tail. Tail. Wings. Wings. Black wings. Macaw. It's an orange and blue macaw. Wings. Blue wings. It's a colorful bird. Macaws are very colorful. That's the beak. Beak. Owl. Owl. It's so soft.
Very cute.
Hello. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you on my next video. You and I, together we can. Have a good day.